When you open the cutting data and find that the data color does not match the tool layer color, what should you do if you want the tool to automatically match the data color? We just need to set the tool color matching in the software, and the problem can be easily solved. Firstly, open the cutter server and choose the tool you want to use. Secondly, we need to define the color of the tool in the IECHO software. Open the cutting data and click Settings menu by the default color. Select the tool you need to use, and then choose Other in default color. You select Straw Suction Color in Material Settings, and then Confirm. After the setting is completed, when importing data again, the tool will automatically match based on color. It should be noted that to ensure that the tool can match the color automatically, please use the same tool for cutting and always use the same color when drawing. The specific tool color can be set according to your needs. Here, we have prepared the color reference list for your cutting tools. If you need it, you can take a screenshot and save it yourself.